What's up, guys? I just want to show you something that is probably never going to happen again on my lathe. It was completely by accident. I bought a new Set-Tru type chuck, which means I can set the eccentricity of the chuck with a few screws over here. And I was working on it, I was measuring it at first with a hundredths dial test indicator, and once I got it eccentric, I was like, it's very exact, that cannot be right. So then I tried it with a analog micro a thousandth of a millimeter dial indicator, which also the needle didn't move. And then I tried it with a digital dial indicator, and when I now turn the chuck, we see it doesn't move at all. And my thought first was, well, maybe the stylus just isn't touching the shank, but when I move it over here, then we do see the test indicator, the dial indicator move. So yeah, at this moment it is set at a thousandth of a millimeter accurate, and that's probably never gonna happen again. This is a chuck from probably China, the same one that Stefan Gotteswinter has, which is why I actually bought it, because yeah, I trust him, and no regrets yet. The only thing I wanted to test right now is what happens if I pull the shank out and I put it back in, and I'm using the same pinion over here, so it's marked with 0 to loosen it and to tighten it. It's also the same pinion I used to tighten it the first time. So now I am very let's see, okay, now let's put it back. All right. If it's gonna be exact at a thousandth of a millimeter again, I'm gonna be very happy. It's not a thousandth anymore, it's about 5,000ths of a millimeter. Not even. Still, I think that's a very good result for a Chinese chuck on a Chinese lathe, and again, something that's probably never gonna happen again on this lathe. Thanks for watching.